What's up, everyone? Hope you're having a great day so far. We need a little bit more of these guys in the market, a little bit more bulls to show up for Shiba Inu and frankly, the rest of the crypto market. Now, the good news is that in just 4 days, we may get this nice positive bullish push, and I want to tell you guys why. So for those that aren't familiar, August 14th is actually going to be our next CPI report, our next day where we may get a nice little push to the upside. And why I say this is that we're kind of still stuck in this time where there's a lot of fear and uncertainty and, talks of a possible recession and things abroad. All these negative things that led us to our most recent drop that we went on, they're still kind of present. The sentiment's just kind of sticking there, okay? And we're waiting for now that push and that confirmation and that excitement. Well, if you guys remember the last CPI report, we actually had a period of deflation. So we actually saw the costs of goods and services overall on the drop, which is a very positive thing. Now, what we need to see in this report is either flat or more of the same thing. We need to know that, frankly, that inflation's not getting out of control again. This is what the Fed has been waiting for. It's the reason why they didn't drop the rates in the last meeting. They said they want to wait and see more data, make sure we're continuing on the same pace. And this may be that report where the market sentiment shifts a little bit. We start to get a little bit more on the bullish side again, all right? Now, I don't know if you guys have seen it in your industries. I've definitely seen it in mine. People right now playing things a little closer to the vest. They're getting a little tighter with their money because, again, these fears of a possible recession coming down the road. And why this is important and how this may impact this CPI report is as there is less demand in the market, as people are spending less money, guess what? The prices drop. When there is less demand, prices go down. Same way you see in the crypto market, you see it the same way in the economy. And now that there is less demand because people are spending more on essentials instead of wants, right? We are probably going to see the cost of goods and services come down a little bit. So what this means is that we again have a very high likelihood of next rate cut at the next FOMC meeting. That's a great thing. But what this may also mean is we may get into some more of these short liquidations. We may start liquidating entities in terms of BTC. We may see the same thing on the Ethereum side. If we also see this confirmation of good data, you may see institutional money pick up buying as well. And all these things are good for Shiba Inu. These are things that can move SHIB price to the upside. And this where it may be where we finally start to see a little bit of that reflection of the removal of supply in the market, all right? Like I've always said, I'll say it again, price is always the lagging metric. Now, SHIB is doing fine right now. It's finding a little bit of stability, at least at the time of filming this video. We're sitting right around that 4014. And frankly, this has been a big opportunity zone that people have been taking advantage of. And that's great, right? These, I think, have been heavy discounts. I think a lot of this was overblown, but if you're going to give me a discount, I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of it. Hey, what you doing? Anyways, look at, see? Someone was asking me how tame these cows are. Do I ever, deal with them fighting me or anything like that? And, they're pretty tame. A lot of these cows have been shown, but yeah. So anyways, that's why August 14th is important. People need to pay attention to this big day, and it may be that final push that we need to flip around and maybe see BTC start pushing the top of its trend, see SHIB starting to go on these breakouts like we've talked about. Good times may be ahead. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have a great day. Catch you in the next one. Take care.